How to deactivate Tinder account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can deactivate your Tinder account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to deactivate your Tinder account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Tinder application, and then just make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then after you have done that, you want to make sure to tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side again. As you have done that, you want to simply make sure to scroll all the way to the very bottom until you get to this option here known as delete account. Now don't worry, we're not going to delete our account, but let's see what this option has. We're going to tap the delete account option. Here you can see two options: to pause your account instead of deleting. So what we want to do is we want to pause, which means to just deactivate it, and this way other people on Tinder will not be able to find us temporarily. If we want to unpause it, we can always come back to Tinder. So you can basically tap the pause my account option here, and your account will get successfully paused and deactivated for the time being. This way you'll be able to deactivate your Tinder account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.